On this A to Z challenge series, today is episode 3 and I am doing clay art. Hello everyone, I am Stasma and welcome to my channel. I bought this packet of clay which has 12 different colors and some tools. I'll show you how it looks. This is the clay and we have 3 different tools. And I don't know how to use these, but let's make something and get our hands messy.
This is such a fun way to get creative and freshen up your mind. And guess who is joining me today? My sister. She has always loved playing with clay, so she joined me today. And let's see what we create. First, we are creating a cute little turtle using green and black clay. She has joined me in my video and she is like literally ruling the video. At this point, she is already ordering me what to make. But it's okay, I love her creative side and we both have our own choices. These are the tiny little feet that you can see, and this is my sister. Look how cute the turtle was, and look at my sister. Don't let her listen to this. Keep watching while we join the feet, his head, and give him tiny little eyes.
This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf, and this is just about as fast as it can move.
Oh my god, this looks so cute and I'm already loving it. Next, it's time for some feathery fun. This time, we made 2 birds with different shades of pink. Instead of creating something, we are just playing with the clay half of the time because this was so fun. We started with the body, rolling a chubby little base for each bird. Honestly, they kind of look like marshmallows at first. Just look at the white one there. If you are hungry while doing this, don't confuse the clay with candy. Then we moved on to the head, and my sister is taking her time molding her clay and making it so perfect, but there my clay looks cracked. The head of my bird looks cracked. Doesn't sound good, but back then I used to be a perfectionist, trying to mend every single detail, and I was so scared of messing around that it kept holding me back. But now with time I have learned that the result follows and you should actually be able to enjoy the process. But this time it had a downfall. The bird that my sister was making looked very good and mine, I don't know. Look at how smooth her clay looks compared to mine because she took time to mold the clay and I hurried. So I've been waiting for her to finish while I film the video. She is attaching the wings and she still left to attach the tail. I did not think of making a hole there. I just attached the tail below the bird, but this is a good idea. While she is completing her work, let me ask you, have you ever tried making clay? How did you feel or what did you make? Let me know in the comments and I would love to read your story. Also, if you have any suggestions for other letter of the series, do let me know. Now we have a pair of lovebirds. Literally, I mean, they don't chirp, but they sure look like they're planning a romantic vacation.
Nice work, Rika.
Next, we made a tiny teddy bear chilling on a crescent moon because every teddy deserves a moon to nap on, right? This one might just be cuter than my sister. And don't tell her that I said this or she'll kill me. She's just the cutest. We started with the teddy bear. We used a brown clay for the head and used a light brown clay for its mouth section. Then we made tiny little eyes and its nose. Making equal size of the eyes was such a difficult task. Then we made the crescent moon. We picked a soft yellow shade, not too bright, not too dull, just the right moonlight glow. We rolled it out and shaped it into the classic crescent moon shape. We tried to match the size of the bear and the moon, and this is my sister playing with a flower, and then she proceeds to take the credit of the work. No, that was criticism. Here comes the taking credit. If you have siblings or sisters, you'll know that this is just a friendly discussion. You know, you got it right. Trust me here, it's so fun playing with clay, it's therapeutic and it's cheaper than therapy, so why wait? Also, it would be a good bonding experience with your sibling or your friend, or you could even do this during your date. These are all the cute pieces that we made today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next letter in the series. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring. Bye bye.